How to fix Instagram story 3 dots missing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram story 3 dots missing. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If the Instagram story 3 dots is not showing, then maybe your app is outdated. To update it, you have to head over the Play Store or App Store and then tap the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the search bar and type in Instagram. If you see the updates, tap on update button and update it to the latest version. Following this step, you have to head to the other step, that is clearing cache and data. Tap and hold Instagram and then I button. This will directly land you to the app info section where you need to select storage uses. Now tap clear cache. If you remember all your login credentials, you can tap clear data and then delete it permanently. But in case if you don't remember, you don't need to clear your data. Lastly, you need to reinstall the app so that it fixes all the glitches, including Instagram story 3 dots missing. For that, tap and hold Instagram and the trash icon. Now tap on install and your Instagram story 3 dots missing issue will be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.